Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a very fun one because everyone knows how much I love Amazon and you guys also really like to see my Amazon finds. So today I've decided to make a compilation of all of my Amazon finds. I have been renting out a studio for a few years now, almost 4-5 years at this point, and there are a lot of home decor pieces that I bought years ago that are still with me in good condition. So I really wanted to recommend to you guys 50 Amazon decor finds that are going to be worth your money, but they also look very luxe. Of course, not all of these pieces I've been using for years and years. Some of them are newer finds as well. But of course, I'll only be recommending the products that are good quality and the ones that I really liked, because there have been a lot of fails. We're omitting those and just talking about 50 that worked for me. So let's get started with today's video. There are 50 products that I need to talk about. So I'm really going to speed through this. I've made different categories. The first category being storage. The first product are these acrylic transparent stands. I use these to store and hold all of my perfumes. I've gone through a lot of different organizational pieces for my perfumes, but this one I feel like works the best because I can see all the perfumes, because all of these stands are of different heights, so you can really display everything and reach everything. These Amazon basic storage bins, oh my god, I own so many of these and I've been buying them for years. I literally placed another order last month and I own at least 20 of these. These are so good quality and they're so good to organize and segregate. I use them in my walk-in wardrobe as well to segregate my different types of clothes. Another acrylic organizer, it's a 25-piece acrylic organizer, very good quality. I use it to store and organize my makeup. Looks very chic, very easy to clean. Great find. A rotating spinning tray. This is what I used to use to store all of my perfumes. Worked really great because you could spin it around, but I wanted to like organize my perfumes where I could like see all of them. But this is great to organize your makeup and it's so aesthetic. I love the green and gold combination. Very good quality. Then we have the skincare cupboard. This went very viral in between and for good reason. It has two drawers and then also a section at the top where you can see stuff. I literally use it every single day. It's right now in my bathroom. I use it for skincare, but obviously you can use it for makeup, you can use it for whatever. Oh, and this one comes in a bunch of different colors, so you can really pick something according to your aesthetic. Airtight glass containers. Now these are super chic. Like I love the way they look, but they're also very good quality. I've gone through so many airtight containers which are not really airtight. These ones are really airtight. The glass on this one is so thick. They've accidentally slipped out of my hands once or twice and they haven't cracked. Not saying that they won't crack, but they're very durable and they're transparent. So I used to use them to kind of store my cereal, dry fruits. It looks very aesthetic, but it's very good quality. I've been using these for years. I found this really cute neutral liquid soap dispenser. It looks so beautiful. Found another one in a pink, but I will say that the top part of it, the gold part of it, has been kind of discoloring, but I think it looks nice almost in a way, so I personally don't mind it, but just wanted to let you guys know. Moving on to decorative pieces. Now fake plants are a big thing and they're a great way to really liven up your space, but they're quite basic. You can totally find those on Amazon. But I have a few plants, fake plants only, but with a twist. So the first one that I found was a lemon branch. I think it looks so nice. It's a step up from a regular fake plant. They also have the same one in a pomegranate, like instead of lemons there are pomegranate on it, which is so cute. And then we have Pampas. Pampas is a classic. I think it looks so nice, especially if you're going for that neutral bohemian vibe. I have them in two different colors, a dark brown and a beige. If you don't own Pampas already, here's a disclaimer for you. अगर आप उसको उठाओगे and if you're like moving it around, there'll be pieces of it that like shed all over. It's a little bit messy, but I think I love it. I'm committed to the look, so I don't mind it. But if you are someone who is allergic to like dust and stuff like that, you might want to avoid it. Next, I have a few pieces of furniture that I want to recommend. I have bought a lot of pieces of furniture from Amazon, but a lot of them haven't been able to pass the test of time, but these have. So the first one is this white fur bean bag. It's very, very cute and my friends love it. Everyone wants to sit on that bean bag because it's so comfortable. It's so soft. It is a pain to clean because you have to remove all the beans from the bean bag, put it in the washing machine, and then put the beans back into the bean bag. But I mean, we do it once a year, honestly. Once in 2 years, it's fine. Wanted to give you that disclaimer, but I think it's totally worth it. It's so comfy and quite affordable. Another thing to bear in mind is with the bean bag, the beans don't come along. So you're gonna have to purchase the beans separately. Then we have this small little stool in an emerald green color and it has gold detailing, gold hardware all around it. Now when I got it in the beginning a few years ago, it looked beautiful. It still looks very beautiful, but I thought eventually it'll break because we would literally stand on it to like reach the shelves, the top shelves, but it's still in great condition. I still use it. It goes so well with my current decor as well. It's a great premium looking but affordable Amazon find. My center table has been with me for at least 4 years now and it's going strong. The top was a plain white and then it came with these brass gold legs. I've painted the top a lot of times. Right now it's in a different color altogether, but it's sturdy, like it's very, very good quality. So in case you're looking for an affordable center table that's strong and sturdy, this one is great. Let's do some kitchen items. I love kitchen finds from Amazon. These beautiful fluted glasses with glass straws. Great quality. And it's just such a nice piece to just use inside your house also. But if you are running out of your house, you can take it along with you. Of course, it's glass, so you take your own risk. But it looks very nice, very premium. If you have a friend over, if you want to serve them cold coffee, this is such a cute piece. A very similar piece is in this swirly glass, again with a glass straw. So cute. Amazon does great glassware at a really affordable price. So I have a lot of my wine glasses, my champagne glasses from Amazon. I'll link those also for you guys in case you're interested in investing basic timeless pieces. I still have them since years and we still use them. But if you want something fancy, I also got these tinted glasses. They are gorgeous and they go so well with my current decor. When I moved into this new studio space, I intentionally got rid of most of my plastic plates, bowls, most of them, and I've replaced those with wheatgrass utensils. So these are supposed to be good for you. They're not supposed to be toxic and they're supposed to be sustainable as well. So I've personally gotten these plates. They feel like plastic, but they're not plastic. A lot of these are also microwave friendly. They're very durable. They're good for the environment. They're good for your body. You can also get glasses. You can also get plates in this same material. Shout out to my mom for introducing me to these because I didn't even know something like this existed. Similarly, I also got rid of all of my plastic bottles. We were drinking water 24/7 from these plastic bottles. So got rid of those, and for the most part, I've replaced them with stainless steel bottles. But I also found these super cute copper bottles on Amazon, and they come in a bunch of different cute prints. I've been informed that you can't drink out of the copper bottles throughout the day, but especially in the morning, it is advised to drink from the copper bottle. It's supposed to be really good for you. So maybe you could invest in 1 or 2. Now, I've always wanted to invest in golden cutlery rather than like a simple stainless steel cutlery set. And I finally did it. Got it from Amazon. Great quality. It literally comes in a suitcase. It looks so beautiful. So along with getting rid of plastic, my mom also told me to get rid of all of my non-stick and aluminum vessels and invest in either cast iron or brass. I'm honestly going slow because number one, I don't cook as much, and number two, these are expensive. So I don't want to get a lot of these at once. To start off, I got a bronze kadhai, which looks so aesthetic and it's good for you. It doesn't have any of the harmful toxins. If you do your research, there are some brands on Amazon, not a lot, but some brands that do beautiful brass utensils. They're so beautiful to look at. Eventually, I do want to have my own set of those, but one step at a time. Let's take a small break for today's giveaway. Clearly, I love anything that looks golden. That's very much my aesthetic. So I got these beautiful measuring cups. It's a set of measuring cups for when you're baking. We have been baking a lot more now that we do have an oven. It is something that I've always wanted to get into, and Aditya anyway does bake. So I thought that this would be a nice investment to get rid of the plastic measuring cups and replace them with these steel ones. Now, one thing that is used in our studio every single day is a kettle, and I got this beautiful kettle from Agaro, this vintage looking beautiful kettle. I will say it is a little bit expensive. You can find cheaper ones, but they're usually made of plastic, which is fine. Obviously, if it suits your budget, there are so many to choose from, but this one is like heavy duty and it's a very beautiful vintage aesthetic, which I love. There's also another one that I found on Amazon, which is white with like wooden accents. I personally haven't used it, but I thought it looked very nice and it had good reviews. The next item is not necessarily useful, but I feel like it can be used in a decorative manner. So basically, it's a 3-tier cookie tray, cookie display thing almost. I personally bought it for the sake of one video and I just fell in love with it. Like, it looks so pretty, and I think I'm going to be displaying all of my crystals on each layer of it to really get use out of it. Then I found this colorful knife set on Amazon. Now, if you're a bachelor or if you're someone who isn't into heavy cooking, I feel like this set is great for you. It's not a 10 on 10 when it comes to quality, but as I said, if you're going to be occasionally using your knives and all of these different things, it's fine. It looks very pretty. Moving on to some wall decor pieces. Wall stickers and wall posters. Now, there are so many different types of these on Amazon. You just need to add your keyword and then add in the word poster or sticker. I personally have been loving this one set, which is kind of like a Wanderlust set. It's a bunch of postcards. I believe there are 50 postcards that come in one set for like 300 to 50 rupees. It covers a big part of your wall and it looks so nice. There are so many different aesthetics that you can choose from. There are neutrals, there are pinks, purples, there are themes. Like, I saw this one Pokemon one, I saw one Harry Potter one. Literally, there's one for everything. Brick tiles. Now, I've been using brick tiles for a while. In my last studio, I had plain white brick tiles. So basically, they're stickers. They're not actual tiles, but they look like tiles and they're very heavy duty, by the way. So for this studio, I picked these ones up that have black lining. So they literally look like subway tiles from afar, and each tile is for 99 rupees and it's pretty big. So if you're renting like me and if you want to transform your kitchen, the backsplash of your kitchen, it looks really nice. I'm going to link my previous vlog where I used these so that you can get kind of like an image for yourself. Macrame wall hangings. Now, everyone knows Amazon pe bahut achhe macrame wall hangings milte hain, but there's this one particular piece that I found again years ago, and it's a big piece. It's like a 4-foot piece. I'm pretty sure it's very big and it's so beautiful. And the beautiful thing about macrame is that you can always wash it and it's clean and it's fresh and it's very long lasting, especially this one because it's so well knitted, or maybe it's made in a factory, I don't know, but it's very good quality. And this one specifically looks very premium because it's very different looking and it's very big. So I would say rather than investing in like those tiny little macrame wall hangings, you could invest in this big one and really make a statement. The next item, a canvas. Now, this isn't necessarily a decor piece, but you could turn it into a decor piece, there's nothing more beautiful than personalizing your space. So maybe you could buy a canvas. There are so many different sizes of canvas available, so you can pick one according to your space, according to the size of your space, and get together with your friends, your family, and make an art piece of your own. Even if you're not an artistic person, trust me, when you make something with your own hands, it makes it so much more special. Amazon does really good lights, believe it or not. The first one has to be a sunset lamp. Now this is for a more moody vibe. This isn't something that you can use during the day. It's more so for the night, but it makes your room look so beautiful. I remember before I got married, for like 4 months straight, I would have it on in this very room at night, and it made me feel so calm for some reason, and it looks so beautiful. There are so many colors to change according to your mood. I think it's such a good find. I also found these motion sensor lights on Amazon. I personally use them to kind of place them behind my decor to kind of lighten it up, like especially behind my plants or just behind decor. But of course, you can use it for the functionality of like a motion sensor light, like put it in your passage or put it in your bathroom so that at night when you're walking it like switches on. The boho bamboo lights, Amazon has so many options to choose from, and I feel like if you're into that boho aesthetic, neutral aesthetic, these lights look so nice. Some random finds that don't really fit into a category. The first one will be knobs. So if you have a decor piece, a furniture piece already, a great way to spice that piece up is by adding knobs. And the variety of knobs that are available on Amazon, it's insane. There are so many options to choose from. Wooden hangers. I personally gave up plastic hangers years ago. Wooden hangers are definitely more expensive as compared to plastic hangers, but wooden hangers look better in my opinion. I bought them slowly at a time because I just couldn't afford to buy so many at once at that time. So I bought a few at a time, and now finally I do have enough. Plastic hangers would be fine if you're using them inside a cupboard, but I feel like especially if you're hanging something, you're displaying it, wooden hangers look great. Candle stands. I found these really beautiful neutral looking candle stands. This is like a very knick-knack thing. It's not like functional or useful. It just looks nice, pleasing to the eye. Similarly, we have this marble chain. Again, a decor piece which makes no sense, but it just looks nice. Then we have some linens, I guess you could call them. So this woven jute carpet, which is huge. I think it's like 6 or 7 feet. And at the time when I bought it, it was very expensive for me. I think right now too, it must be around 4,000, 5,000 rupees. But trust me, great quality, adds so much warmth to your space. You can keep getting it washed again and again, and the quality is going to stay strong. I love it. I still use it. Amazing find. I love throws, just to throw on top of like your sofa or even to like hang it in a space. This one I have been really liking. It's very soft, very pretty, adds a lot of like texture and adds a lot of layers to your already existing space. Actually no, there's another cushion cover that I want to recommend, which is macrame cushion covers. Amazon does such nice affordable macrame cushion covers. I have like 6-7 of those. I'll link them down below for you guys. Moving on to the last category, but my favorite category, vases. Personally love having fresh flowers at home, so I kind of have a collection of vases, but you can also just keep your vase just as is without anything in it. I think it still adds so much to a space. Or you can add, of course, fake flowers. You can add pampas to them as well. I got this nude vase which has like fluting all over it recently, and oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Then we have a green vase which I've had for years. I used to have this shoe vase which I thought was so quirky. Unfortunately, I'm the one who broke it. Totally on me, but it was such a good quality, heavy duty vase. Then I got this set of 3 in white. They're a little bit smaller, they're not like super big, but I think they're very, very cute. Similarly, I have another set in browns and beiges. And then we have the classic inverted U vase, which I feel like a lot of people have, but it looks so nice. Okay, with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really wanted to make this big compilation of all of my favorites. I love Amazon. as a brand. I feel like it has so much to offer, and I think I've been able to put all of my most favorite pieces into this one video. So if you are looking at redecorating your space, if you've moved into a new space, if you're a college student who wants to renovate on a budget, I hope that this video was useful to you guys. As always, everything's going to be linked down below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.